Trading session. We have four main different type of trading session. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be explaining different type of trading session, so stick with me from this very first beginning to the end because we have a lot to learn. Don't forget to like and subscribe on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Let's dive into it. We have four major trading session. We have the London session, New York session, Tokyo session, and Sydney session. Trading session means the time at which each session opens and closes at a given day. Each session opens when the local bank of that particular country opens. The London session opens at 8 a.m. in the morning to 5 p.m. in the evening local time. The New York session opens at 8 a.m. in the morning to 5 p.m. in the evening local time. The Sydney session opens at 8 a.m. in the morning to 5 p.m. in the evening local time. And Asia session, which opens at 9 a.m. in the morning to 6 p.m. in the evening. This will help you to know when to trade and when not to trade. Historically, New York session and London session are highly volatile, while Asia session and Sydney session are less volatile. This is all I have for trading session. Don't forget, it's your boy the Banks. See you in the next one. Peace.